What's up, guys? I wanted to do a review of an unboxing from the 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. First time I had one, mine's broke, but I got a new one today. It's the new Doctor's. Well, not the new, but you know, the old Doctor's 11th. Now I'm going to unbox it. Oh, well, what do you know? My viewers are watching again. This is my 11th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver now. That's the function. Almost a working sonic screwdriver. Buzzing noise. High pitch buzzing. Whoa. Go. I love this sonic screwdriver. It has been my favorite. On the back, you know, there's that little hatch thing that opens. That red button, because the sonic extends out to here. I've seen it on a YouTube video. You hit it just right, but I can't do it like they do. I'm the Doctor. This is my own grave. From Transalore. From Gallifrey to Transalore. But I love this Sonic, guys. It's really cool. It does come with instructions, but the batteries are not included with the toy, but it's inside the Sonic screwdriver. All you gotta do, it's not on there. All you gotta do is twist this part one way or another, if I can remember this correctly. And you just pop it off. Like that. The Sonic's okay, it's just the battery compartment's right here. You can change it if the batteries get old.